So here's the pet stroller completely built. Took me about 20 minutes to build it. And what's cool about this is that it has a nice little compartment at the bottom for your pet's necessities. And if you are going too fast, it also has a built-in brake, which you could just step on and the stroller completely stops. And in the back of the sleeping carriage, you're able to pull this thing up, so you're able to let your pet breathe more in the inside, as well as the front of it. Here we have this button, so you could just press it and open and see your pet from the back. It does as well have a button on the front as well, which is quite nice. Very spacious for your pet. In the inside, it is Velcro stick for the cushion, so we have a nice cushiony area, as well as an opening in the back and the front. And it has both a little window, so you can lift it up like so, and you can unzip this part as well as the back. And what's pretty neat is that this part does detach from the stroller itself, and is super easy to fold back up. So here's a look at it. And to detach the carrying part from the actual stroller, all you have to do is go ahead and pull this part up of the stroller, and then you can just completely take off the sleeping part, as well as just click it back into place so that your pet is nice and secure. So this carrying case is perfect for small cats or smaller dogs. He's quite fit in there, quite comfy. Here we can unlock it and see him inside. He fits quite quite good in here. Perfect for cats and small dogs, like I said. Very spacious and comfortable.